Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to find deleted notes on iPhone. So first of all, tap on notes and I'm gonna deleting these 3 notes from my note. And now let's see how to recover these 3 notes. I'm gonna tapping on this folders icon to the bottom left corner of the screen and tapping on recently deleted. And as you can see, here is deleted notes showing up here, and notes are available here for 30 days. After that time, notes will be permanently deleted. This may take up to 40 days. And to recover, I'm going to tapping on edit and selecting those notes I want to recover, tapping on move, selecting notes, and as you can see, I've successfully recovered 4 notes. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.